if you already got a free ticket, you can upgrade now, but do not share this secret code. Here's how to get your ticket for the summit. So click the link, scroll all the way down, all the way down, okay? Until you see where it says, I am all in. Click on that. You will see everything that you get. Okay, once you click on it, then you're going to have to scroll again all the way down to the diamond package. That is the piece de resistance. That is the VIP all in, okay? Once you get down there, you click on it and then you put the Get Hungry coupon code and click that little blue arrow and da-da-da-da, $69. Can you believe it? You can impact humanity with the Diamond Pass. Get the book, the recordings, and much more.